We have a problem. One problem. When I was playing with this VR controller, it's not charging and it won't turn on. I've been trying to reset it. It's not working. That means I can't play Rec Room. So I'm really bad at on the controller. So I can't be on Rec Room unless the thing gets fixed. So my next video will have to be in 44 days. Actually, no, it's 40 days. You know why? My birthday and get a new Oculus Quest. I make Gorilla Tag videos then. I can't do a live stream now. I have to get a PC, so I'll try to get a gaming laptop to do it. Or oh wait, I just got to get into the PlayStation. Anyways, if you have any suggestions trying to fix it, I'll make another video soon. Bye bye.